preheat the oven to 200 degrees or 180 degrees fan. Measure 250 grams of porridge oats. Pour those oats into a bowl and measure out 125 grams of light brown sugar. Pour that sugar into your bowl with your oats and measure out 125 grams of butter. Add in your 125 grams of butter and 2 to 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. You can add chocolate chips to yours at this point. Grease your baking tray and then spoon your mixture into the tray. The mixture into your baking tray. Bake for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Now that 15 minutes has passed, take out your flapjacks, let them cool, you can cut and then eat them. I hope you love making your flapjacks and enjoy eating them too.